Hey there, travelers. I'm Jade Arnold from Berkshire Hathaway Travel Protection, and today I'm here to talk to you about how to get the best travel insurance for your cruise. First of all, should you even get travel insurance for your cruise? Absolutely. Just be wary of buying it directly from the cruise line itself because it may not be your best option. You need to make sure to do your research first. And by doing your research, I mean actually reading the policies, as painful as that may be. But if you do that and you read the description for trip cancellation and trip interruption, you will probably see some variation of the following. You'll be reimbursed for all prepaid non-refundable expenses. Well, what's a cruise if not a prepaid non-refundable expense? Now, the big thing to watch for with trip cancellation and trip interruption are the exact things that are covered in the policy. So look through the policy closely and make sure you're covered for things like hurricanes, because a lot of cruises go through hurricane zones. Next, we have luggage. You have to fit a variety of clothing types into one medium-sized suitcase, and as our friend Sharon Alden points out in her guide to packing for a cruise, that suitcase might not make it on board until a day or so into the trip, and some bags have been known not to make it on board at all. The key here is to look for a travel insurance package with fixed benefits that can pay you while you're still on your trip. Getting paid when you get home really doesn't help you while you're on the cruise. Let's do an educational sidebar here. What are fixed benefits? Fixed benefits can be a lifesaver when it comes to luggage. If your bag is lost or delayed, you automatically get paid that amount that's stated right in your policy. Instead of having to haggle for a fair deal proving that you had things in your bag with receipts and pictures and other tedious tasks, you just get paid that flat amount, no questions asked. If you're injured on a cruise, being treated in the ship's infirmary can be very, very expensive. So we definitely recommend that you find a policy with comprehensive medical coverage in case something happens to you or your family. The same goes for medical evacuation coverage. Obviously, it's expensive to be airlifted off of a cruise ship in the middle of the ocean. This is usually something that you can upgrade, and in general, the more, the better, just to be safe. And lastly, when you buy any of our policies, we give you 24/7 travel assistance, which is just dandy, and actually really helpful when you're in a pinch. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm Jade Arnold, and we'll be back with many more travel and travel insurance tips.